Hi everyone and welcome to another video by Edolio. In this video, we'll learn how to join text in Excel using AND operator and also concat function in Excel. Now, what's the scope of this video? So in this video, we're going to be learning how do you join different text strings or even numbers and strings together in Excel. I'm going to show you the quickest way to achieve this using the AND operator. And then we'll look at another way, which is using the concat function, right? So here in the data, I have first name and I have last name. And what I want is to see the full name in the column C. So in this case, we want to see Jack Smith. In this case, Amy Jackson together in these cells. So let's join the text quickly. So equals to, select cell A2, which has your first name. Then put the AND operator and then select cell B2. So the formula is equals to A2 and B2. So this is telling Excel to join these two text strings. When I click enter, done. You can see that Excel has joined the text Jack and Smith together to create the full name. But there is one small problem. I want a space in between because generally there's a space between first name and last name. So what we can do is we can make a small change in the formula to also have a space. So let's see, let me just quickly delete it. So equals A2 and now I'll put the space. Now because I'm putting a text string, I have to use quotes. So I'm going to do quotes open, space, close the quotes, and so one more and because we are telling Excel to join A2 space B2. So technically we are joining three things. So that's why we are using two AND operators. So A2 and space and B2. Done. And now you can see it says Jack Smith with a space in between. Now I'm just going to drag this formula down and done. So that's how you can quickly use the AND operator to join text in Excel. You can have the space, remove the space. It's totally up to a use case. Now let's look at one other way to do this. And for that, we're going to use the concat formula or concatenate formula. Both are essentially the same and you can spell it any way you want. So how does concatenate formula work? Now, it comes from the word concatenation, which is to link things together or to combine them. So let's see how you can use the concat formula. So equals concat. Now you can type concat or you can type the entire name concatenate. Both will work exactly in the same way, just two different spellings for the same function. So concat is very shorter and easy to type. So that's what I'm going to use. So concat, open the bracket, A2, comma, B2. So I'm telling Excel to concat or to join A2 and B2 together. Close the bracket, hit enter, and that's it. Same result what we got when we joined the AND operator. Now, let's see how do we put the space. So let's edit the formula. Now here I'm going to add a space. So as you remember, we have to put it in quotes. So open the quotes, space, close the quotes, another comma. Why another comma? Because now there are three things we are connecting. So A2, space, and B2. Now let's hit enter and done. So we achieve the same results that we got when we use the AND operator. Now you can use AND or concat. It doesn't matter. Both works the same way. You can prefer which one you want to go for. I generally like the AND operator because it's very quicker and it's easy to use, and that's what I end up using. So let's just drag the formula down and you can see it's done. So that's it from our side. Hope you learned how to use AND operator and also concat function in Excel to combine and join text. So that's it from our side. Hope you learned how to join text in Excel using AND operator or the concat function in Excel. Now, if you want to learn more about Excel, pivot tables, vlookup, index and match, advanced formulas, text formulas, pivot charts, and much more, then you can check out our advanced Excel course. The link is in the description below. Do check it out. And as always, if you like the video, hit the like button and also subscribe to our channel to see more such content. Thank you so much from our side, and we'll see you in the next video.